Dear friends, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. This is my third lecture. Today we discuss Mendel's second law, law of independent assortment. This is very important basic law for genetics. This is called Mendelian inheritance. Gregor Johann Mendel is the father of genetics. He researched on 34 varieties of garden pea plants and formulated two very important laws of inheritance or genetics. One is law of segregation, Mendel's first law, and other is law of independent assortment, Mendel's second law. Today we discuss Mendel's second law. Mendel's second law or law of independent assortment, when a dihybrid means crossing between two parents having two pair of opposite characteristics, or a polyhybrid means crossing between two parents having more opposite characteristics, more pair of opposite characteristics. When a hybrid or a polyhybrid forms gametes, each gamete receives one allele from each allelic pair, and the assortment of the alleles of different traits or characteristics during the gamete formation is totally independent of their original combination in the parents. Modern concept of law of independent assortment. In brief, different segregating gene pair assort independently. At first, explanation of law of segregation. Here we use capital R, small r in this example for explanation of genetics. Capital R, dominant allele responsible for round seed of garden pea plant, whereas small r means recessive allele responsible for wrinkled seed. Capital Y for dominant allele responsible for yellow colored seed. Small y means recessive allele responsible for green colored seed. At first, we choose two parents. Male is genotype of male is capital R and capital Y. Capital R for round seed and capital Y for yellow seed. Female genotype of female parent is small r, small y, small y. Small r for wrinkled seed and small y for green seed. During gamete formation, from two capital R, one capital R comes to gamete. From two capital Y, one capital Y comes to gamete. Single. From two capital R, one capital R. From two capital Y comes one capital Y. From two small r, one single small r coming. From 2 cap small y, 1 cap small y comes here, comes to gamete. When female gamete is crossed with male gamete, capital R mixed with small r, capital Y mixed with small y. Here capital R is dominant and small y is here capital R is dominant for round seed and capital Y is dominant for yellow seed. So phenotype is round yellow seed. Phenotype is round yellow seed. Next, when F1 is crossed with F1, F1 male is crossed with F1 female, their genotype is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, whereas same genotype for female. From this genotype, 4 kinds of gametes are formed. Any capital R or small r comes to gamete. From capital Y and small y, any y comes to gamete. So we get 4 types of gametes, male gametes, 4 types of male gametes and 4 types of female gametes. 4 types of gametes are capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Again, 4 male gametes are, 4 female gametes are capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. F2, this is checkerboard. These are 4 female gametes and these are male gametes, 4 types of male gametes. Any male gametes may cross with any male gametes. When capital R, capital Y is mixed with capital R, capital Y, we get the genotype capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Phenotype, its phenotype is round and yellow seed. Next box we get capital R from here, capital R, capital Y, small y. The seeds are round and yellow. In this box we get capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. The seeds are round and yellow. In this box we get capital R from here, small r from here, capital Y, small y. Seeds are round and yellow. Genotype is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Seeds are round and yellow. Capital R, small y. Here y is recessive. So these seeds are round but green. Genotype is capital R small r capital Y small y. Seeds are round and yellow. Capital R small small y. So these seeds are round but green. Capital R capital Y. Seeds are round and yellow. Capital R capital Y. So seeds are round and yellow. Small r capital Y. Small r is recessive character, so these seeds are wrinkled, but capital Y express yellow color. Here also small r capital Y small y, so seeds are wrinkled and yellow. Capital R capital Y small y, so seeds are round and yellow. Capital R small y. These seeds are round, but small y, for small y it is green. Small r capital Y small y. Seeds are wrinkled but yellow for capital Y. Small r small y. So seeds are green, wrinkled and green colored seeds. Phenotypic ratio is round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. Two offsprings, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, are different from parents' characteristics. Parental characters are round yellow and wrinkled green. Two different offsprings are round green and wrinkled yellow. So we can say that shape of seed is not dependent on color. As a result, round shape is meshed with green color, and wrinkled shape is meshed with yellow color. It is possible when independent assortment is done among two pair of gene or allele. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.